Everybody who has had an issue and met Museveni has had it solved. One of them is Bukenya.
Which?
Bukenya.
That Fabaganda, ekisajja ekikulu ekitalina magezi tukiyita ekiwuttaku. Ekisajja ekikulu ekitalina magezi tuliyita geege oba ekiwuttaku. Kiba kiwuttaku. Can I become ekiwuttaku?
Is it wrong to apologize?
To apologize to who? What did I do? They faked a table to protect their business. I've completed this way it is. Okay,
how about an opportunity to explain it to him? What is better?